Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 22. It is Sunday. It is around 10:30, close to 11. I've been out already. We got up early, went to watch one of our grandsons play hockey, and it was like, I don't know, a 30-minute drive to get there, watch the game, come back. So I've had 2 coffees, no food. And it's freezing cold out there, but now I am home. I'm going to do the advent calendar, then go get some food in me. And the plan today is to get all of the gifts wrapped. So all the shopping has been done, all the making has been done for a bit now. And today is going to be all about getting everything wrapped up. That should not take me more than a couple hours, hopefully. And then once I've done that, I'm thinking I'm going to cut and sew another South Bank dress. Thank you so much for the amazing comments on the dress, by the way. Yeah, I love my dress. I love it so much. Now I want to make another. Anywho, let's get this open. Ugh. So I can go get some food. I am absolutely starving. All right, day 22 says, wearing bright colors can improve your mood. That's very true. Oh, and this is a bright label indeed. Oh. Dopamine dressing. And I love all the colors in those labels. So we've got 2 of those. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here for now. Go get some food, then come back down and start wrapping some presents. I'll see you in a bit. Hello. Well, it is 4:30 and I just finished wrapping all the gifts and yeah, getting everything sorted because there will be 3 places where we unwrap gifts. So here, Christmas morning, so I had to set some presents aside or put them up under the tree for here. On the 24th at night at my mom's house, so I had to put some gifts in a bag to go there. And then at our son's house, Christmas morning or Christmas at lunch, so a bunch of gifts needed to go in a bag to go to John's house. Anyways, so I am done. My sewing room looks like a bomb exploded in it. It's got stuff everywhere. Especially that burgundy fabric I used on my dress. Like it shed little pieces of knit fabric everywhere. Like this room needs a good vacuuming, which is probably going to happen tomorrow at this point because I printed and taped together the pattern for the Bestie Bag because I want to make one of that for my sister-in-law who's celebrating a birthday soon with the remnant of the denim jacket I made. So I've got that. I've got the lining ready. So now all I need to do is cut and sew. I do want to make myself another South Bank dress. And I'm sorry about the noise in the background. It's laundry day. It's Sunday, so yeah. Anywho, my to-do list today, instead of getting shorter, just got longer. So I've got the Bestie Bag. I've got a new South Bank dress I want to make. I've got to clean this room, top to bottom, like a good vacuuming, a good dusting. I need to clean all my machines. I need to put stuff away. There's literally stuff everywhere. It turned into Santa's workshop this afternoon and now I need to clean it up. And Bear is lying down on my cutting table amongst all the stuff and I don't want to disturb the poor baby. Anyways, all that to say I've done no sewing today. So now I'm going to go upstairs and get something cooked for dinner and then hang out with hubby a little bit. And then when I come down here again later on, I want to cut the Bestie Bag and possibly cut my South Bank dress so that tomorrow I clean this room and then sew up those two things. Yeah, so that's the plan. So I'm going to leave it here for now and come back to you after dinner. Hello, and I'm back, and it's much later. In fact, I'm ready to go to bed at this point. I did not go nearly as far as I was hoping I'd get to with cutting out the Bestie Bag or even cutting the South Bank dress. I did cut the Bestie Bag. I'm using the denim from the Ilford jacket, so the remnant from that. This was a Think Pink fabric from a couple months ago, I think October. And I have a zipper by the yard with like a rainbow coil, which is really cool. I only had black, so, well, I had black or white. I went with the black. So that's for the outer bag. And for the lining, I decided to go with another Think Pink remnant. Remember this? From, I think a year ago now. So I had a few pieces left and I decided to cut the lining out of it. It's not super thick corduroy, so I thought it'd be good because I don't have any interfacing. So having fabric with a little more body, I think will work out really well. And it's going to be like a fun thing when she opens her bag. She'll see that fun animal print cord. So I think it'll be all good. So I've gotten as far as preparing the lining. I've got the pockets in. I'm about to sew the zipper on, and I really need to be awake and thinking clearly when I attach a zipper. So I figured I'm just going to stop here for tonight. And yeah, wrap this up, edit, upload, and then go to bed. So today's video probably wasn't all that interesting because I didn't do much besides wrapping gifts and going to watch a hockey game. But I've got fabric ready to cut into another South Bank sweater dress. And tomorrow I have zero plans. So I'm going to finish the bag, cut my South Bank, possibly even sew my other South Bank. And yeah, so I'm going to leave it here for today. I hope you had a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.